So exercise 6.3 seventh problem onwards, let us discuss now. So the question is given that altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at a point P. Triangle ABC is given to you here. This it is also altitude AD and C. Sorry, triangle is given, name is given to you like this. A, B, C. So E is given to you here like this. CE and AD. This is 90 degrees E. Will intersect at a point of P. Show that triangle AEP. So what are the triangles are given to you to prove? Let us write in the first part. To prove triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. AEP is similar to CDP, we have to prove. So once you locate that AEP, CDP. So very simple here. Two angles are equal here. In this triangle, angle AEP is equals to angle CDP because both are 90 degrees perpendicular. AD and CE are altitudes. Altitude is nothing but 90 degrees. These two are the 90 degrees. Okay. Now angle APE is equals to angle CPD because vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by AA criterion,
Sir, the screen is not clearly visible.
for all it is not visible.
Now it is clear, sir.
It is clear.
It is clear enough. It is clear. Okay. Now here by AA criterion, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. The second one is asking to you to prove. Here 4 parts is asking to you to prove in this situation. Okay, in this problem, ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Once you locate this ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. We need to prove here. Okay, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. These two triangles. In these triangles, whenever you observe properly, one thing is common here. ABD. In this angle ABD is equals to angle CBE. So that is nothing but angle B only. This is common angle in both triangles. Just observation you and angle ADB. Angle ADB 90 degrees in this triangle. And in this triangle, angle CED. Both are 90 degrees. Same by AA criterion. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Third part में AEP,
Sir.
triangle AEP is similar to, yes, tell me. Triangle
Sir,
ADP.
in my area, I'm not.
Your voice is not clear. If you are having any other personal problem, don't discuss here. AEP is similar to ADP. AEP is similar to ADP. Okay, so AEP is similar to ADP. So what are the two triangles? AEP, this one, and ADB. ADB. So in that two triangles, angle A is common. If you observe properly, AEP triangle, ADB triangle में one angle common. So what is that angle? A angle. So AEP में A angle can be written as angle PAE. PAE is equals to angle DAB. DAB in this triangle. So these both are common. Okay, PAE. Next, in the same two triangles, angle AEP equals to angle ADB. Both are 90 degrees. Therefore, same by AA criterion, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. The fourth part in this, it is asking to you to prove triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Triangle BEC. What are the two triangle PDC? PDC. Here, this triangle. Naming you see here. Naming is very important here. When you name the similarity triangles, triangle similarity, the name should be given like that only. PDC, BEC, BEC. दोनों में C is the common. So C common है ना, वो C को middle में लिखना. PDC में angle PCD is equals to angle BEC. BCE. In both the triangles, one angle is 90 degrees. What is 90 degrees here? DD. Angle PDC is equals to angle BEC. E 90 degrees. So here you can observe that angle D in this equal to angle E. So D and E together होना means एक प्लेस में होना है. See देखो D and E एक प्लेस में. C and C same place में होना है. C last में. So therefore, by AA criterion, triangle PDC is similar to triangle PEC. See, if you are trying to remember this, you cannot. Just analyze. Analyzation is more important here in these problems. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
also you need to write like this. Steps also you need to write like this. So here these will be useful to you. Once again, I am saying to you, this knowledge is useful to you to solve the objective type of the questions. You try to learn the descriptive questions only, subjective सीखना है, so that it will be useful to you to write the objectives. Objectives लिखने का chance. Okay. Now let us see the 8th problem here. So what is the question given in this? Here figure is not given to you. The question is given to you. I will show the question to you. I think it is visible. So this is the question. E is the point on the side AD produced as a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects the CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CF. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CF. So this is the question given to you. So what to do here? ABCD is a parallelogram we need to take into consider. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. So let us draw the parallelogram here. A, B, C, D. Or you can take here B here, C here, D. So AD produced, AD को produced कर दिया. E is a point on side produced on AD. AD produced कर लिया, उसमें E point एक point होगा, such that and BE intersects the CD. So ये B से intersects the BE intersects the CD at a point F. F point में intersect. And asking you to prove triangle AB. Here to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. CFB. ABE. CFB. ABE. CFB. Isn't it? These two triangles, and observe properly what is possibility here. What are the possibilities we are having in this to prove? So ABE, this one, and CFB. AB. So angle A equal to angle C होगा. Angle A equal to angle C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Opposite
side
angle
से parallelogram हमारे तो.
Parallel. In this B angle, in this F angle को equal. In this B angle is nothing but this angle. In this F angle is nothing but this angle. No, we cannot prove that. Are they? They are equal only actually, but we cannot prove now. So we should not take this one into consideration. Is it possible to us to take these two angles equal? Angle E is this one. Angle B in this triangle, this one. Are they equal? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
AD parallel to B. AD parallel to B. They are vertically, sorry.
Alternate interior
Vertically
angles.
opposite, sorry, alternate interior angles, not vertically opposite. So they are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles equal. So two angles of the one triangle are equal to the two. So in this angle is what here? Angle A. A को हम BAE लिख सकते हैं, which is equals to FCB. FCB. Because reason here, opposite angles of parallel. Opposite angles of parallel. These are opposite angles of parallel. Okay. Angle BA equal to angle CF. Next, angle E. Angle AEB is equals to angle AEB is equals to angle AEB. We are saying the CBF. CBF because alternate interior angles, as AD is parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC and BE is transversal. Which is transversal we are taking also better we mention. We are because ये दोनों भी ये भी transversal हो सकता है. So therefore you can write here by AA criteria. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CB. That's all simple. Isn't it? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next problem. 9th one. So what is the question given to here? Figure 6.39 here already it is given. Simple here from the figure itself, you can understand here. I'll try to explain to you through the figure only. Okay, these problems here I'll try to explain to you through the figure only. So what is given to you? 6 point ABC, AMP are the two right angle triangles, right angle at B and as well as M. Respectively, two right angle triangles are given to you here in this situation. Okay, so what are the two right angle triangles given here? ABC. ABC. So B is 90 degrees. Next, A is to extend it here. P M. Either P. Here M. Here 90 degrees is here. And asking you to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Whatever it is asking in the question, that one only I am writing. Then after CA by PA is equals to DC by MP. So that's all. So what to do here? Let us see here. This is the question given to you. Both are right angle triangle. ABC is ABC में 90 degrees B है. AMP में M is 90 degrees. In both the triangles, angle A is common. Then both the triangles are similar by
Similar.
AA criterion can be taken. When these two are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Two triangles similar means their corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding sides, whenever you take here, CA by PA, CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. So directly we are going to get. Nothing is there here in this problem. Very simple question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple question and not more difficult for you to understand here. Now the next 10th question is given to you, this one. CD and GH are respectively bisectors of the. See, figure is not given here to you in this question. So you need to draw the figure. That is also very important. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle A. Single sentence is given to you. You see here. ACB EFG. ACB EFG. Such that D and H are lies on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. See the question how it is framed. You need to learn how it is given to you also. Question how it is given to you, that one also you need to see here. दिखाई दे रहे ना? CD, GH are respectively the bisectors of the angle ACB, angle EFG, such that D and H lies on the sides AB and FE of the triangle ABC and EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to EFG, so show that CD by something. It is 3 parts. It is asking to you. First thing you need to do, क्वेश्चन को समझना है and from the figure draw करना है. These are the parts. So directly whenever you see that from the back onwards you try to come here. What are the two triangles given? ABC, EFG triangle. Okay, like that you analyze. ABC, EFG triangles. And what is given? D and H lies on the AB and EFE. AB में D होगा, FE में H होगा. वो कैसे होगा points? CD. So when you try to draw the figure, then it is easy task for you to understand. So let us first take the first triangle ABC. In any way you can draw that. First rough figure draw करना है ABC and FEG. So CD is the bisector of ACB. CD is the bisector of ACB. So ACB का bisector है CD. So D is the point on AB. AB में एक point है. D is the point. Like that H is the point on FE. Such that that H is a point on FE. Here एक point है H, such that ये GH will be the angular vector of H बोला है ना? Okay, H is the point on FE, such that angular bisector. These are the bisectors of these two angles, two different triangles. If what is given here, let us take here. Given here, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG is given. FEG. ABC similar to FEG. Okay. And asking you to prove that, the first part is asking you to prove that CD by GH is equals to AC by FG. The second part is asking you to prove that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Next, third part is asking to you triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. These triangles names you try to locate in the figure. Figure में locate करने के लिए try. Okay. So first it is asking to you ABC. Is ABC, FEG are similar. Similar means their corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides whenever you are taking, we are asking you to prove that CD by GH. CD by GH is equals to AC by FG. So that is nothing but it is possible to us to prove that one. वो prove करने के लिए it is necessary to us to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Did you get my point? If you are
Yes, sir.
need to prove this one, so what are the triangles? DAC triangle, DAC triangle, HFG triangle को HFG triangle, DAC triangle. So here DR you can say DCA triangle, HGF triangle को equal. So that is we need to prove the third part here. Third part पहले prove कर लिया. From that you can write this one directly. Or is there any other method to us to prove? Is there any other method to us to prove without proving this one? This one easy method we need to choose here. Easy method, whatever it is given to you, that we need to choose here. Okay, so that's why better we go for that. How do we prove these two triangles are similar? This triangle and this triangle similar. How do we prove? For that,
AA similarity.
AA similarity directly we are not supposed to write here. In that two triangles, these triangles only similarity is here. So from that these two triangles, mein, angle BAC is equals to angle EFG. You can do it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Or you can take directly the triangles into the consideration. Here you can it is angles equality, it is not necessary to. Let us take these two triangles. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF. In these two triangles, triangle DCA में angle DAC is equals to angle HFG, because ये इसको from 1 two triangles similar है, then the angles are this angle equal to this angle. This triangle similar means this triangle similar means ये angle इस angle को equal है, तो इसमें half क्या है? इसमें half this angle
Angle
BCA. इसमें half क्या है? So you can write here angle BCA is equals to angle EGF. ये दोनों इक्वल है. So इसमें half तो इक्वल है. Because from one only, this is also. ये इक्वल बोले तो दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है, इसमें हाफ भी इक्वल है. इसमें हाफ क्या है? BCA में है एंगल DCA. EGF में एंगल हाफ क्या है? HGF. So from this one and this one you can say that two angles are equal than two triangles. Therefore, by AA criterion, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Therefore, you can write here CD by GH. GH is equals to AC by FG. Corresponding sides are equal. So this is the first part. This is the first one. This is the third one. Second one, what is asking? DCB. DCB is similar to HGE. That similarity also easily you can prove in the same way as we have proved these two triangles. Similar. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
It's a simple only, not more complicated. Okay. So let us move to the 11th problem. 11th problem देखते हैं. This one problem we will see.
Sir, I have a doubt. Is bisector 90
Yes,
degrees?
yes. No. Bisector is nothing but what here? Angle को equal parts में divide कर.
Okay, sir.
In which question? 10th question only. They are bisector, not 90 degrees. You are not supposed to mention the 90 degrees. 90 degrees is not at all mentioned anywhere. It is not mentioned anywhere else. Yes, still.
सर आपने जो कहा है कि वो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है तो वो तो 90 डिग्री में आ जाएगा ना.
How do you see?
मतलब कि अगर
90 degree में करें.
एक लाइन अगर 180 डिग्री होगा उसको अगर इक्वली डिवाइड करेगा तो 90 हो जाएगा ना.
No बेटा, 90 कैसे होगा? किधर 90 होगा?
नहीं, मैं आपने जो कहा ना कि वो इक्वली डिवाइड करेगा तो इक्वली अगर 180 हो जाएगा.
No. This total angle is 80 degrees है. If this total angle is 80 degrees, if this line is dividing this angle into two equal halves.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
80 degrees होता है तो 40 हो जाएगा. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ये सपोज ये 80 डिग्रीज होता है तो ये 40 होगा, बट ये 80 होता है तो ये भी 80 होगा, बिकॉज दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. इट इज देयरफॉर इट इज 40 होगा, ये भी 40 होगा. सपोज दिस इज 20 डिग्रीज है, दिस एंगल इज 20 डिग्रीज, it is going to divide that 20 degrees into 10 and 10. So how do you say that 90 degrees? 90 degrees is there, 90 degrees का बात ही नहीं है इधर. There is no need of talking about the 90 degrees. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that in this proper way में steps लिखना. Steps proper way में if you are writing, then it is an easy task for you to complete.
Okay, sir.